Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Shaem Tech BD. View system error and logs using CMD. Click Start button, then type CMD. Open CMD Run as administrator. Then type this command and hit enter. Open Windows Event Viewer and analyze details, system logs, error, warning and security events. Expand Windows logs. Events Viewer is one of the most important diagnostic tools in Windows. It helps you identify system crashes, application error, driver failure, startup issue, and security related event by showing detailed logs generated by the operating system. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.